In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Udemy course and get new students. By the end, you'll know exactly where Udemy's built-in promotion tools live and how to grab the link you need to start sharing your course with the right audience. Start on Udemy while you're logged into your instructor account. Look to the top right of the page and click your profile picture. That corner is your control center on Udemy. It's where you'll find everything related to your account and instructor tools. If you're on a smaller screen, this may appear behind a menu icon, but it's still in the same area. From there, choose the instructor dashboard. This hub shows your courses, performance stats, and communication tools. If you don't see the instructor options, double-check that your account is set up as an instructor and that you're logged into the correct profile. Next, pick the course you want to promote and open its Edit or Manage area. Promotions are course-specific, so it's important to select the exact course you're planning to share. Inside the course management view, you'll see various tabs for content, pricing, and more. Now go to the promotions section. This is where Udemy centralizes your promotional levers, things like coupons and referral links. Using the promotions tools matters because instructor-generated links and coupons typically qualify for a higher revenue share when students enroll through them. Keep an eye on any limits or expiration dates that Udemy imposes on coupons so you don't unintentionally share something that's no longer valid. The layout may change from time to time, but you'll always find options related to promotional links and codes here. Finally, click Copy next to your promotional link. That action places your unique, trackable course link on your clipboard. It's tied to your instructor account and the specific course you selected, which allows Udemy to attribute enrollments properly. A good habit is to paste the link into a note and test it in a private or incognito window to make sure it goes to the correct course page and reflects any discount you intend to offer. Once you've copied the link, you're ready to share it wherever your audience is most engaged: email newsletters, your website, social posts, or communities that welcome educational content. Add a short message that clearly states the course outcome, who it's for, and any time-sensitive discount. Always respect community rules and avoid spam. Helpful, context-rich sharing performs better and protects your brand. That's it. Profile, instructor dashboard, manage course, promotions, and copy. Follow this path each time you want to promote a course and check your dashboard for results so you can refine your message over time.